We're making tangible differences for our customers and their quality of life and how they make parts, and it feels really good, and it feels really good to do it with an awesome team. Paperless Parts was founded with a mission to make manufacturing more accessible, and that's sort of just the beginning.
This company is going to have an impact on one of the world's largest industries. Most manufacturing in the United States is small business owners, and when I talk to shop owners and they tell me we're up 80% over last year already, and we're gonna go raise salaries for everyone in our facility. That's what helps me feel really good about what we're doing.
We are changing the lives of the people who make things that build the world that we're living in. So absolutely, the work that we're doing here is itself important. We are a customer and we're a people-first organization, and people come here to do good work, and you really feel that.
The team at Paperless Parts, they make each other better every day. They're constantly working with each other. They're constantly taking the time out of their own schedules to help each other improve. That's the thing that really makes the culture special.
One thing that's really important to know is that you can, talk to anyone here, and it's a very fun atmosphere where people just look out for each other and they care about each other. It's not only taught me a lot, it's directed my course of study in university, and it's really just made an incredible impact on my future.
If you're considering a job at Paperless Parts, I would say just be yourself, to make sure that in the interview process, your personality and your experiences come through, and to really not focus on tailoring your profile to be this perfect candidate.
I started here a year ago and have gone from being an individual contributor to running a team now. And the management skills that it's taught me, the leadership skills that it's taught me, as well as the sales acumen and the sales knowledge that I've gained throughout that progression is something I've never experienced and continue to develop on a day-to-day. And I have no idea where I'll be a year from now, but I know it'll be developing and growing even more, which is really exciting to me.
Right now would be a really awesome time to join Paperless Parts. We've gone from 4 people to 20 to 40, and we're about to go to 80 and then 200. Watching Paperless Parts grow into what we've become and where we're going has been nothing but exciting.
If you're gritty, you want to get after it, you're curious, you want to get better every day, Paperless Parts is the place for you. I wouldn't trade my past 4 years at Paperless Parts for anything in the world, and I won't trade my next 4 years at Paperless Parts for anything in the world.